things automotive. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mahindra XUV700, the flagship SUV that blends power, style, and innovation like never before. Design and styling. The 2025 XUV700 carries a bold and futuristic design with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The updated grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and sportier alloy wheels add a premium feel. Its road presence is undeniable, with a balanced mix of aggression and elegance that turns heads effortlessly. Engine and performance. Mahindra continues to impress with its powerful engine lineup. The 2025 XUV700 offers both petrol and diesel options, with the top-spec variant pushing over 200 brake horsepower. Smooth automatic transmission and quick throttle response make it a pleasure on highways, while the AWD option adds confidence on tough terrain. Features and technology. Inside, the XUV700 is a tech lover's dream. It features a dual-screen setup for infotainment and the digital cluster, integrated with Adreno X AI. Alexa voice commands, connected car tech, and over-the-air updates ensure that you're always ahead in the smart car era. Comfort and ergonomics. The cabin offers plush seating with ample legroom and headspace for all 3 rows. The ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone climate control enhance comfort during long drives. The driver's cockpit is intuitive and ergonomically designed for minimal fatigue. Suspension and handling. Tuned for Indian roads, the XUV700 suspension setup absorbs bumps effectively while maintaining body stability. The steering feels well-weighted and responsive, allowing for smooth cornering and easy city maneuvering despite the SUV size. Braking and safety. Mahindra has prioritized safety with features like ADAS Level 2, Lane Keep Assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking. Disc brakes on all 4 wheels, combined with ABS and EBD, provide excellent stopping power and control. Fuel efficiency. Despite its performance, the XUV700 remains efficient. The petrol variant offers around 12 to 14 km/L, while the diesel stretches to 16 to 18 km/L under mixed driving conditions, making it practical for both urban and highway use. Conclusion. The 2025 Mahindra XUV700 is a compelling SUV that ticks nearly every box: style, performance, comfort, safety, and value. Whether you're an enthusiast or a family buyer, it offers something for everyone. Stay tuned to Kawasaki Bike for more updates and reviews.